Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you a secret toggle in a VIP room for male outfit and dress to impress. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have entered the VIP room and then we can go to this area and you can wear this outfit. Okay, and then I'm going to show you the secret toggle for this outfit. You can go to the toggle and we have three different toggles here. Okay, and you can choose the half sleeves as well or the tucked version. Okay, and then for example I'm just going to make it like this. Okay guys, and this is the secret toggle in VIP room for male outfit and tries to impress. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to the channel. Bye.